हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय न्यू व्लॉग। मैं नेत्रा। कैसे हैं आप लोग? तो ये सेटअप देख के तो आपको पता ही चल गया होगा कि आज मैं फायर फ्री कुकिंग करने वाली हूँ। तो गेस व्हाट आई एम मेकिंग टुडे? आई एम मेकिंग banana pancake with bread. So let me show the things that I have. First, here I have crushed chocolate. See friends, here I have crushed chocolate. And here I have banana slices. And then here I have bread. And then I have this jam. It is looking like jelly. Wow, I like jam so much. And here I have bananas. Banana, I love banana. Do you like banana? If you don't like banana, you can use mango for this recipe. So now let's start. First here I have three breads. Now I'll put the jams. Not jams, I'll put the jam on these breads. Wow, this jam is so good. This is a strawberry flavor. I like this. Why it is not spreading? It is jam. It is not spreading. Now I'll take with. Wow. See, it is looking like jellies. I'll put the jams. Now I'll mix them. Not mix, I'll spread the jams. Means not jams. I will spread the jam on the bread like this. Then I'll put the banana slices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has fallen. 5 and 1 more. 6. Like this I have put the jam. Now I sprinkle some this crushed chocolate. I have sprinkled. Now I'll put the another bread. First I'll put little bit of jam and then I'll put it like this. I'll take out the jam like this. Then I'll put it like this one. And then I'll spread it. I know it will not spread with a spoon. It will spread with my finger only. Wow. I have spread the jam. Now I'll put it like this. And after that we'll put the jam again. Wow. It is very tasty. No, not like this. It is very tasty. Wow. I don't know why jams don't spread by a spoon. It always spreads with my finger. They always need a finger to spread them. I'll take more jam, more and more jam as much I can. I have taken one more spoon of jam. Now I'll put it and then I'll spread it. I spread it like this. Now I'll put the bananas again. Then same method we will use. Bananas, now I am putting the bananas. Wow, how it will taste. I think it will taste good only. Done. Now I'll put the sprinkle again. Wow, you can use any chocolate you want. So friends, जैसे कि आपको पता है तो फ्रेंड्स जैसे कि आपको पता है कि I love drawing, cooking, coloring. I love that things. Fireless. I love fireless cooking also. फ्रेंड्स मैंने अपने एक और वीडियो में फायरलेस कुकिंग की थी. Friends, now I'll put the jam here and some slices of bananas. I know that it can't spread with a spoon. I'll spread with my finger only. It is not spreading. This much I have spread. Now I'll put the bread again and then I'll make a smiley. No, first we'll put jam, then we will make a smiley. I know. First we'll take some jam, then first we will take jam. This is too much. Oh, I like jam. I can't eat this much of jam. It's not spreading. My hands are very dirty. What I have done? I'll wipe it. Friends, now I'll put the bananas again. 1, 2 I will, and one cute smile on the face. See friends, now I'll sprinkle some chocolate, crushed chocolate. No, I'll sprinkle the whole that is left. is ready. You see, friends, let me put it inside it like this. Side you. See, friends, how it is looking. Very cute. Friends, do you like this recipe? Wow, I want to eat it. Do you like this recipe or not? I have made 3 layers. You can make how much layer you want. You can make 2 layer, 3 or 4, any layer you want. So friends, now let's eat it. Wow. It is so big. It is so tasty. It is so tasty. I like it very much. So friends, do you like this video? Fireless cooking video, do you like? I'll make more videos of fireless cooking. Like I'll make burger or anything else. I like fireless cooking. So I'll do so many fireless cooking. I'll make fireless cooking. I'll make. In some another video, I'll make something else in fireless cooking. So friends, like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye friends.